Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the assets that create focus: player model, key props, and a moody background. Once those are ready, set the camera to 16:9 and lock resolution so framing stays consistent. Make sure lighting assets are available: soft key, subtle rim, and a fill at half intensity. Begin with a low contrast pass to check composition, then increase detail. You want immediate visual clarity before diving into deeper adjustments, so adjust exposure now and move to composition tweaks. Now you refine camera and lighting to force attention where it matters. Move camera closer and reduce depth of field to f/2, 8f/4 to blur the background. This isolates your subject. Position a key light for shape, a dimmer fill to keep form readable, and a rim to separate the subject from the scene. Once done, add low-density volumetric fog to create layers. Make sure fog doesn't wash highlights. Finally, check contrast and saturation so the focused area reads. Finish by polishing details and testing in motion. You should apply selective sharpening to the focal subject and a soft vignette to guide the eye. Run short play tests to confirm the focus holds during movement. If things wander, tighten the depth of field or adjust rim light. If artifacts or noise appear, mute layers one at a time to isolate the issue, then restore with corrected settings. Make sure timing and motion don't undo the focus. Iterate until clarity is consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.